This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Caroline Doan. Introducing the amazing Trevi floor plan, known for its popularity and high demand. With 2,032 square feet of versatile living space, 4 bedrooms with 3 full baths. The main living areas feature beautiful extended tile, creating a seamless flow throughout the home. Plus, you'll have a private fenced backyard and covered lanai where you can relax and embrace the laid-back Florida lifestyle. The open kitchen is the heart of this home, connecting effortlessly to both the family and dining rooms. It's the perfect layout for socializing with loved ones and hosting unforgettable gatherings. The Castalina community, nestled in the picturesque Fort Myers, offers fantastic amenities such as a swimming pool, cabana, mixed-use sports court, playground, and ample green space. With 2 gated entries, Castalina is just 2.5 miles away from I-75, granting you easy access to the most desirable beaches, parks, and nature preserves in the area. Not to mention, you'll have a plethora of shopping, dining, entertainment, recreational, and leisure choices at your fingertips. Imagine yourself in this stunning home, designed for comfort and luxury. The best part? The seller has priced it to sell fast. For more